Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So I'm working on my own nails today. I've only done one coat so far. I'll do another coat in just a little bit, but it is the Believe Beauty, the color I was talking about that reminded me of a fall color. It's a match. Um, I feel like looking at it here, it's true to color. It looks a bit more red, I feel like on my nails right now on camera, but it is a little bit more orange. So I have a few things I want to do. So I'm going to start first with going to this plate. This is one I had picked up from Amazon, WH-56, and I'm going to get the leaf here. I like that leaf. And I did put cuticle oil on. I'm going to end up getting it everywhere, but it's okay. Okay, so I am going to go to Acorn B498 because I want the lines and everything to show up well. And I also thought it'd help the color that I'm using to reverse stamp it to pop. So I'm going to get this 3 more times for both hands, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna work on one hand at a time. Um, I did go ahead and wash my hands because I felt like that oil was already starting to get on them, and I didn't want it to interfere with the second coat. So, and I did get all of my leaves. I was able to put them on the same 2 separate stampers. Just turn the stamper around if you have a small enough image, and you should be able to get it on there. So while this is still tacky, I'm first going to take this glitter here, which is a fall glitter. It's actually called Falling Leaves. It's got red and gold, orange, mm, maybe like maybe a darker gold is also in there because I kind of get little pieces of something I can't place. But I thought that would be really pretty, and I don't need to like coat it like I did my other time. I just want to get some on there. So I thought, oh no, I'm not sure how I want to do this. I thought I wanted to use the brush. Now I'm wondering, I've got these little things. So maybe I'll just kind of like go back and forth. Let me see what this even does. See if it'll stick on there enough the way I want. Well, it's sticking, but not the way I want. So maybe I'll go back to my brush. Yeah, because it needs to be spread out. Well, now that's really stuck. Whoops. Okay, hold on. Okay, so don't do what I did because I can't get it off. It's stuck. I'm going to go ahead and go to this next one though. I did apply some sticky base and now I'm just going to use this tool and just place some. Just until I get it the way I want. Try to get a couple down here. Okay, so I'm going to do that on the ones I want it on and be back. Okay, and I'm good with that. And I just used my stamper to press it down. So I'm not going to do this hand yet. I'm going to go ahead and with the reverse stamping portion. That way I don't mess anything up. So I want to do it in gold. So I'm using Maniology's Gold Rush B333. And I won't bore you with all of them. And there's still another step I'm wanting to do as well. I really like this color. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other ones and be back, but I'll go ahead and show you this one. See how it's like foil, gold foil. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I was able to go ahead and get that other hand done. Actually, it was a bit easier just because I finally got the hang of it. I don't know, it never matters what I do. It takes me a minute to get going. And I actually didn't need the sticky base on this side. I just was, since I had the hang of it, was able to just use the polish that's on there. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and add or apply my leaves to the ones that don't have the glitter. So I am going to put the sticky base for that. Okay, I got the sticky base on there. And this time I also have these glitters. So these are larger. This one's a gold holographic. This one is orange holographic. And this last one, it's kind of like, I don't know what to call this. It's got different colors on there. It's also holographic. So I'm going to apply my leaf first, kind of towards the middle-ish. Let me see. Yeah. I did not apply my sticky base on the others yet. And then I'm just gonna, I put some in each cap here because I want to get one of each, hopefully. So let me get this orange one and just place them. Just using this to press it down. Decided that wasn't enough, so I'm using this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the others and be back. Okay. And I will say this tool worked really well to put those big glitters on. Now, I feel like for what I was wanting, these ones would be too small, but these are a pinch big, but I like bling, so I'll kind of get a feel for it and see what I think. But just for the leaves that are stamped, I'm going to go with my smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Just on that, I don't have to put it on the whole thing because I'm going to use a regular top coat for that glitter. So I'm going to do this and be back. Right. So the smudge-free top coat is to protect the stamped images. So then for the glitter, I've used my Salon Perfect glitter gloss top coat. It's just a bit thicker. Okay, I said, hold on, let me get that oil back on there so you don't have to see all my dryness. Okay, so I do like the holographicness of those. That's fun. And I'm just a glitter person. I just like bling. So of course I'll kind of see how I feel about those larger ones as I wear it. I did turn the leaves a bit different. Not by much, but just a little bit. And you could place those blings wherever you'd want, of course. It's a bit different. I better like them larger ones because it came in a pack. So there's like plenty to use. And those may be better on a nail that doesn't have like a stamped image. Um, but I don't know. I just wanted to see how it would be. And then this is it's the same on both, of course. So thank you. Appreciate you watching. And I will see you in the next one, my friends. Have a blessed day. Bye.